So this is my project. I created a Find My Recipe app in a way, or a website, using React. So it gives you tons of recipes. So far, I will be able to click it, but so far it's just the recipes itself with the ingredients and everything. And then when you search like anything like a protein or anything, like it's chicken right now by default, but when you search beef, for example, it's going to give you tons of beef recipes. If you search drinks, it's going to pop up with a bunch of drinks. And this is the code I use using React. It's called React Project. That's just the name of it. So far my components is just the recipe.js, where I use the JavaScript to give it the recipes, and then the app CSS for just the minor aesthetics of the web page. And then my app.js is where I call my API, and my queries are all in there. This is the API that I use. And my main part is on here. It is going to go eventually, the API is going to be called in my div, but not yet. So that is my project.